From American runways rose a bomber designed to reshape modern warfare.
Built for endurance and overwhelming reach, the B-52 carried unprecedented destructive power.
High above the world below, the mission moved forward without hesitation.
When the order came, precision and scale combined in a single moment.
Thus, the bomber delivered its payload, marking the beginning of a new era in air warfare.
In the early years of the Cold War, America's factories prepared for a new age of air power.
Within these walls, engineers and workers labored to build a bomber unlike any before.
Every task followed a precise order, guided by discipline and experience.
The process began with raw aluminum, shaped to serve a strategic purpose. Accuracy was essential, for even the smallest error could echo through the entire machine. Heavy machines transformed flat sheets into aircraft components.
Steel met fire, yet always under careful human control.
Teamwork ensured that each piece moved safely into place. The skeleton of the bomber slowly took shape. Designs drawn on paper guided every movement on the factory floor. Engineering knowledge translated vision into reality.
Components traveled steadily from station to station.
Preparation ensured strength and longevity.
Cranes handled loads no human could lift alone. Human judgment remained central to every lift.
Assembly of the fuselage marked a major milestone.
Thousands of rivets bound the structure together. Each fastener played a critical role. The bomber's body grew section by section. Precision ensured aerodynamic stability.
Inside, strength was built where it could not be seen.
Labor was patient and methodical. Large segments were joined into a single form.
Connections were checked and rechecked.
Structural integrity was paramount.
Oversight ensured standards were maintained.
Quality control guided every stage. Surfaces were prepared for the next phase. Production advanced steadily forward. Attention now turned to the wings. Strength and balance were carefully verified.
Scale alone demanded respect.
Heavy lifting required precise coordination. Each movement was deliberate. Human hands ensured safe alignment. Mechanical strength was secured by skilled labor. The bomber's full silhouette emerged. Balance was verified with careful measurement.
Every angle mattered.
Surface integrity completed the structure.
Inspection followed installation.
The factory floor seemed small beneath the bomber.
Assembly gave way to evaluation. Power would soon be added. Preparation preceded installation.
Engines were handled with extreme care.
Coordination prevented costly mistakes.
Mounting points met with precision. Manual labor secured mechanical power.
Safety remained the priority.
Each aircraft required several identical units.
The process repeated with consistency. Standards were uniform across all systems.
Just like that. Yes?
Internal systems connected power to purpose.
Attention to detail ensured reliability. Hidden networks brought the aircraft to life. The command center took shape. Technology of the era guided future missions.
Pilot input was carefully engineered.
Information would soon guide flight crews.
Visibility and clarity mattered.
Installation neared completion.
Power systems underwent inspection.
The bomber's strength became unmistakable. Months of labor approached their end.
Finishing touches prepared the aircraft for service.
Even appearance reflected discipline.
Final inspections ensured readiness.
The aircraft stood nearly complete.
Ground handling systems were verified.
Reliability began before flight.
weight met the ground for the first time. Stability was confirmed.
Results met expectations.
Final reviews followed established procedure. Craftsmanship revealed itself in detail. No step was overlooked. The bomber dominated its surroundings.
A symbol of industrial capability stood complete.
Human effort was dwarfed by the machine.
Silence marked accomplishment.
Records finalized the process.
The factory floor returned to order. The aircraft awaited its future. Design met execution. Prepared for cruise yet to come. Pride remained unspoken.
The machine stood ready.
Industrial strength defined the era.
Teamwork brought the project to completion.
Completion followed discipline.
The factory grew quiet once more. The B-52 represented a new chapter. Built to endure. Human labor gave way to history.
Power without spectacle.
Industry shaped the future of air warfare. A product of its time. Crafted with patience.
Human presence remained essential.
Few machines matched its size. Completion spoke louder than celebration.
Built for long service.
Their work now invisible. The bomber stood ready for history.
Industry paused briefly.
Standards met, mission prepared.
From factory to future skies. Time would test its endurance.
function-defined form.
An era forged in aluminum.
Work completed.
The B-52 awaited deployment. Strength lay beneath simplicity. Engineering met purpose. History moved forward. Thus began the service of a bomber that would define generations.